doing holdings in China. So today I will show you about cassava fufu flour processing line in South Africa. Mainly about our cassava fufu flour processing machinery and the technology. So if you have any problem, you can message us, or if you are interested in our machine, you can send us inquiry. Our project manager will contact you. So if no any problem, we will start our living. So the first part is I will introduce our cassava, our company. Introduce our company, and then we'll show you about cassava fufu flour processing, and show some machine details. So this is our company. Our head office we call the Doing Holdings in China. We located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, and our factory is in Jiaozuo City. So from our office to our factory, about 50 minutes driving.
有买家进入直播间了。好了。
Hello, yeah, welcome to our Doing Holdings living room. Yeah, welcome. This is Lily from Doing Holdings in China. So today I will introduce about cassava fufu flour processing line. And if you have any problem, you can contact us. And if you are interested in our machine, you can send inquiry. Our project manager will contact you soon. So the first part, I will show you about our company. Our head office we call the Doing Holdings, and we are located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, and our factory is in Jiaozuo City. From Zhengzhou to Jiaozuo about 50 minutes driving. So we also welcome you visit our factory and our company office. So now, let's start to learn about our company. Yeah, our head office Doing Holdings. And this is our company, Doing Holdings. We set up in 2011, and now we have our 5-branch company to manufacturing different machinery, like the cassava processing machine and the oil processing machine, like palm oil and vegetable oil. And then we also have the waste tire refining machine and the some waste metal plastic separating machine. So our machines can divide it to two parts. The first is the food processing machine, and the second is environmental machinery. So if you are interested in our machine, we will welcome get your inquiry. And now we also have our Nigeria branch in Lagos. We are setting up our factory now. So for our Africa customer, we also welcome to visit our Nigeria branch, and we can talk about the project face to face. Yes. Yeah, you can see these are our office pictures. Okay, this is our company. We called Henan Jinrui Food Engineering Company, and we are mainly manufacturing cassava processing machine, include the Gary machine, cassava flour, cassava starch, cassava chips, and also have potato and sweet potato starch machine. Okay, this is the cassava flour processing technology. But today we will talk about the cassava fufu flour processing technology. Fufu flour processing technology. And actually the fufu flour processing compared with the cassava flour processing, just more than or fermentation step. So you can think when you do cassava flour, and after you add the fermentation step, you also can get fufu flour. So before this is a flow chart about fufu flour processing. So now I will show you a 3D video about how to process fufu flour. So if you have any problem, you can send a message. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is our cassava fufu flour processing line or 3D video. So this video is a complete and industrial scale. You can see this is our whole area about the machine. We have different capacity, and for the cassava fufu flour processing, our machine process fresh cassava tubers to get final fufu flour. So this is different part. In this video, I will show you the different part and the details. Okay, so you can see, firstly, in the fufu flour processing also include 3 parts: the cleaning part, processing part, and drying part. So firstly, this is our cleaning part. The fresh cassava tubers will moved to the feeding hopper by the forklift. Okay, we continue. The forklift move cassava tubers to the feeding hopper. The feeding hopper is a short-time storage cassava tubers. And then you can see after the feeding hopper, then cassava will on the belt conveyor, put on the belt conveyor. With the belt conveyor transport, it will be the first cleaning machine. We call it dry sieve. Like this, dry sieve machine. It used to remove some impurities, like the sand, the grass, and other impurities. And then this is the second cleaning. Second cleaning we call the paddle washing. Paddle washing is a water washing. So after washing, next step is peeling. Peeling, remove the cassava layers. This is peeling machine. After peeling, the cleaning part already finished. So next is processing part. After peeling, next is the grating part. In this video, we designed a two-stage grating machine. One is cutting, and another we call the rasper, like this. Firstly, to use cutting machine to cut cassava. Okay, you can see this is cutting machine. Cut cassava to small pieces. Cut cassava to small pieces because we know cassava tubers are big and long and also irregular. So we designed two-stage grating machine to get better effect. So after the cutting machine, after you cut cassava to small pieces, and the next is grating. Use this one, rasper. We call it rasper machine to grate cassava completely. You can get cassava slurry. Yes, after the rasper can get the cassava slurry. And also you can see on the rasper machine there has our magnet device. This design used to avoid metal enter the rasper, and so this device used to protect the rasper blades. Yeah, magnet device. It used to remove some metal. This is the rasper. So after rasper, and the slurry will be collected in a pool like this. So this is a pump, and the pump will squeeze to this. We call it descending. It used to remove sand because cassava are irregular. So even if you have two-stage cleaning, you can't ensure you already clean cassava 100%, right? So this design used to remove some sand and also to ensure final cassava production's quality. Descending. So after descending, so this is the key point about fufu flour processing, fermentation. Actually, in this part, if you know fermentation,
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to Doing Holdings living room. Yeah, and now I'm showing cassava fufu flour processing line. And so if you are interested in our machine, or if you have any problem, you can send me message or contact us. Our project manager will contact you. Okay. Yeah, welcome to our living room. So, okay, let's go on. So in this processing, if no fermentation step, you can get final cassava flour. But if you add this fermentation, you can get the fufu flour. Yes. So in this video now you can see these are fermentation tanks. Yes. Okay, let's go on. So you can see in this tank used to fermentation cassava slurry. But we also can design the heating device in fermentation. It can fast the fermentation speed because normally fermentation about 3 days. And if you add the heating device, Then about 12 hours, that's okay for fermentation. So you can go to another step. Yes. Okay, so now in this video there shows our heating device. The steam will enter the tank, and so it can shorten the fermentation time. But it depends on our customer. If you no need heating device, it's okay. Because the heating device just used to shorten the fermentation time. Yes. Welcome to our living room. If you are interested in our machine, welcome to send inquiry, and our project manager will contact you. Okay, let's go on the fermentation step. So after the fermentation, next step is dewatering. Remove the moisture. So in this video there shows the frame filter press machine. It used to remove the moisture. After this, the moisture content about 38%. So after the dewatering, next is drying. Okay, you can see the wet fufu flour will transport by this conveyor, and then here is a grating machine. Because after dewatering, it's a cake. After dewatering, you can get the cassava cake. So in order to make cassava flour easy to dry, we match this grating device. Grate again to make it like the powder, or the flour, yes. And next enter the drying tube. So this is the drying machine. You can see the drying tubes. So the wet fufu flour enters the drying tubes, and in the same time, inside there has the hot steam, so hot air. So they will do a heat exchange in the tube. Okay, you can see our this drying machine. We call the flash dryer. You can see the full flour enter this drying tubes. Okay, so this is the first drying. This is the first stage drying. You can see collect by this hopper, and then here is a hammer mill, and then we'll collect. Okay, so this is the second drying. So in fufu flour processing, we matched two-stage drying. This is the second drying. We match the two-stage drying because cassava fufu flour, there include the fibers, the small fibers. So in order to ensure the final drying effect, there need two-stage drying. That's back. So this is the second drying. In order to ensure final full flour moisture content, we design two-stage drying. And okay, so after drying, this is a fine mill machine to grate again and to ensure this fine mill. Okay, let's back. Like this. Fine mill machine, and it's to grate full flour again. And this design also in order to ensure final particles the fine particles. In this design, and it's also we advised, we update our technology, because we did our cassava flour processing line in DR Congo. Yeah, in DR Congo. And after we commissioning, when we finish installation and commissioning, and we found when at the fine mill machine, it can work better, and you can get higher quality fufu flour. So in our this 3D video, we update our technology and add the fine mill machine again, in order to, after the drying, use this fine mill to grate cassava fufu flour again, ensure the final fine particles. So okay, next, this is a short cooling system. After the cooling system, okay, the sieving to separate big and small particles. After the sieving, this is a packaging, automatic package machine. Yes. So in this, there is the control room. So the workers can observe machine operating situation in there. Okay, this is a control cabinet, different part cassava, a different part machine, control cabinet. Okay, so this is our brief introduction about fufu flour processing line. And we are in China. Okay, I saw one friend ask, we are in China, not in South Africa. But we in South Africa, we have our cassava flour line. It's similar with the fufu flour, just the fufu flour has more than a fermentation step than the flour. But we have our cassava flour line in South Africa. Yes. Now our customer already get the machine. They will start to installation the machine. So soon our engineers will also go to there to help guide them installation and commissioning machine. Okay, so this is a fufu flour processing line. So next, let me show you the machine, some machine details. Then you can clear. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the cassava fufu flour processing, the 3D flowchart. So if you also interested setting up cassava factory, we are welcome getting your inquiry. Yes. Okay, let's go on to learn more about machine details. Okay, so firstly, this is the feeding hopper. It used to storage cassava tubers in short time. Okay, you can see. And actually, in this feeding hopper, we have our vibration device. So in the working, it will shake regular, and then to put cassava on the belt regularly, like the video shows. Okay, let me show you the video, like this video shows. You can see in the working, the hopper is shaking. With the machine, you can see the hopper is shaking. Here, yes, it's shaking to put cassava regular on the belt conveyor. So this is a detail, and because if you put too much cassava on the in the feeding hopper, it will block belt conveyor. So this vibration device is or detail to you ensure you can put cassava regularly. Okay, yeah, let's go on. So firstly, so this vibration device can prevent material blocking the belt conveyor. Okay, and then this is the belt conveyor. Belt conveyor mainly do transport cassava from the feeding hopper to the cleaning machine. After cleaning machine, transport cassava to the peeling machine. Yes, transport. So you can see the this belt conveyor design like the U-shape belt, and it can strengthen the friction, and the cassava tuber is not easy to drop down. We also called herringbone belt. And in the bottom there has three rollers, and then put the belt on the rollers. It will more durable and not easy to make the belt bad work, and it is durable. You can use long time for this herringbone belt. Okay, let's go on. So this is the dry sieve machine. Okay, the dry sieve machine, it used to remove some impurities. You know, when you harvest cassava from the farm, cassava is dirty. Cassava tubers are dirty and with some grass and other impurities. So by this dry sieve machine, it used to do simple cleaning. Remove the mud, earth, and skin from cassava tubers. So you can see in the working, it's like the rotary, and some impurities, the grass or some stone will drop down from in the middle the snap. Okay, here are the details explanation about the dry sieve. There has the inner spiral and used to strengthen the friction between cassava and this dry sieve to get a better cleaning effect. And you can see there has the chain. You know, this is a big chain, and this is the two gears and worked by the chain. A small gear and a big gear, it will work together to make the dry sieve keep balance. So you can see the stable operation and low damage to the cassava tubers can have better cleaning effect. And of course, according your cassava tubers, if your cassava tubers are almost long and big, that's okay. But if you have some small cassava, small and thin cassava, we also can make some design on the bottom, on the dry sieve machine bottom. Okay, this is the second cleaning we called paddle washing machine. This is a second stage cleaning machine to wash cassava after the dry sieve. Use this paddle washing machine. Sorry. Use this paddle washing machine to washing cassava tubers. Okay, so this is a paddle washing machine used to remove to washing cassava to get better cleaning effect. The working principle with counter current washing. And in the bottom there has some waves. And when it's working, you need to open the wave regularly to release the wastewater, release the dirty water.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to Henan Doing Holdings living room. Yeah, now I'm showing about cassava machine details. So if you have any problem or if you are interested in our machine, we are welcome getting your inquiry. Okay, so let's go on. So after cleaning part, next is peeling. Remove cassava layers. This is our peeling machine. You can see this peeling machine, we use the sand roller design because sand roller has strong friction, and when it meet water, it will have strengthened friction. It's good to remove cassava layers because we know cassava layers are thick and rough. It's not easy to remove, so the sand roller is the most effective to remove cassava layers. Sand roller design has strong friction and which can remove second layer, remove second cassava layers. Welcome to our living room. So for this sand roller design, the peeling effect is good, and it can make cassava damage less. And in this peeling machine working, when you add pipe water, it can clean and washing at the same time. And in the bottom there has or collect device used to collect cassava layers, or we call it residue. For this collection device, it can ensure your workshop clean. Okay, like this one.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to our living room. And this is Lily from Doing Holdings in China. Now I'm showing about cassava fufu flour processing and the machine details. If you are interested, you can message us, and if you are interested in our machine, we are welcome getting your inquiry. Okay, so now let's go on. And after the peeling, this is the grating part. So now I show you, this is the cutting machine. Because cassava tubers are long and big, so this cutting machine, it can cut cassava to small pieces. Small pieces to 3 to 5 cm pieces, and you can see the cutting machine all stainless steel material, and it like the diamond blade. The blade shape like a diamond, so we call the diamond blade, which is durable and you can use long time. The material is the same with the knife. Yes, the cooking in our home cooking, the material is the same with the knife material. It used to cut cassava to small pieces. Firstly, so we call this is the first grating machine. And then this is the second grating machine. We call the rasper. It used to grate cassava pieces completely. After the rasper machine, you can get cassava slurry, or we call it cassava milk, cassava slurry. Yeah, you can see the function. This rasper machine can crush cassava into slurry. Because this rasper machine, 1 minute, it can work more than 2,000 times. 1 minute more than 2,000 times. It's very high speed and to grate cassava pieces. And okay, this is a rasper machine. And this one, on the rasper machine, like this one, there has our magnet device. It used to remove the metal. Avoid some metal enter the rasper. So this magnet device used to protect the rasper blades. Yeah. This is a rasper. Also stainless steel material, and it used the Sweden SKF bearing and Germany belt. The technology is same with Europe. And now in the market, they also have other grating machine, like the hammer mill or the roller grating. But this rasper is number one and has the most it has better effect than other grating machine. The cutting now in the big capacity cassava factory, they will match cutting machine and rasper machine. They work together to get better effect. Yes. Okay, so after the rasper machine, we go descending. After grating part, next is descending part. So use the descender. The working function, the working principle is different gravity, because the cassava slurry and the sand, they have different gravity. So in this descender, it can be separate. In the sand gravity is bigger than the cassava slurry, so it will be collected in the bottom. The desander machine is used to remove the sand to ensure final cassava fufu flour's quality. Guarantee high quality fufu flour or cassava flour. After the descending, this is the dewatering machine. We call it plate frame filter press machine. Plate frame filter press machine. It used to remove the moisture, remove cassava flour moisture. After it's worked by squeeze to get final fufu flour. After the dewatering, the moisture content about 38%. So it's to squeeze and to get better effect. Also, of course, for this machine we can design to half automatic and full automatic. For the half automatic, it need labor to help. After squeeze, it need labor to help make the cassava cake down. Yes, but for the full automatic, it can release the cassava cake automatically. No need labor. So we can design according your requirement. So after the dewatering, next day is drying. So this is the flash dryer. Flash dryer for this design, firstly we use negative pressure design. That means the inter pressure is lower than the outside, and this design can avoid the leaking phenomenon, because for this negative pressure design, we put a fan in the bottom, and then to make the inter pressure lower than the outside. So when the fufu flour enter the drying tube, it will not have leaking phenomenon. Because if you design the positive pressure, that means the inter pressure is lower than is higher than the outside. So maybe some flour will fly out, because the drying tubes, they are match together by different tubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then match together. So in the connection part, and when you long time running machine, you can't ensure it's tight 100%. So if use the positive pressure, maybe some flour will will have leaking phenomenon. Yeah, so this is also the details. And all the machine material is 304. Yes, it's also durable. You can use long time. After the drying, this is a sieving machine. We call the vibration sieve, or we call the sieving machine. And after the drying, use this one to
有买家进入直播间了。
sieving flour, separate big and small particle. Welcome to our living room. Now I'm showing cassava processing line. I'm showing cassava flour processing line. I saw a friend say some discount. If you are interested in our machine, you can send me a message. Later, our project manager will contact you, and it's better you tell me what kind of machine you are interested. Because not only now I'm showing the cassava fufu flour processing line, we also have cassava gari machine, cassava flour machine, cassava starch, and cassava chips machine. They are different, so you can tell me what kind of machine you need, and how many tons cassava you can process per day. Later, our project manager will contact you. Okay? Yeah, thank you. And you also can message me.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to our living room. Now I'm showing cassava processing machine. It's a cassava fufu flour processing. So if you are interested in our machine, we are welcome getting your inquiry. Or if you have any problem, you can message me. Okay, so let's go on. Now, we are introducing the sieving machine. It used to separate big and small particles. After sieving, next is automatic package machine. So for the sieving machine, normally we will design 10 sieving to get better and to ensure finally you can get high quality cassava fufu flour. So when the sieving machine working, the shaking and to separate big and small particles. Because 10 stage sifting and long sifting route ensure better sifting effect. 10 stage sifting to get better sifting effect. After sieving, next is packaging. So this is packaging machine, automatic packaging machine. So we can match small package like 5 kg per bag, or the big package machine 25 kg per bag or 50 kg per bag. So you can tell us your requirement and then we match for you. Automatic package machine, and you just need 2 operators. Okay, so in this picture there shows the control cabinet, electrical control cabinet. Normally in the complete processing line, we will match the electrical control cabinet, like MCC control cabinet or PLC control cabinet. Yeah, so if you have requirement about control cabinet or what brand you want, you can tell us, and our electrical engineer will match for you according to your requirement. The control cabinet, it can control part of machines operating, and of course you can match the monitoring system, and then you can check the whole line and how the machine work. You can observe the whole line operating situation. Okay, so this is our PLC picture about the drying system, PLC control. You can see how the temperature, how the input temperature and the output the temperature. It all can checked by the computer, by the PLC control system. Okay, so here are some project cases we did. For this one is we did in Tanzania. It's cassava fufu flour. So it is no fermentation step. When you add the fermentation step, you can do fufu flour.
有
No
买家进入直播
fermentation,
间了。
you can get cassava flour. Yeah, welcome. And now I'm showing cassava processing machine. So if you are interested in our machine, you can message us, and our project manager will contact you soon. Okay. Now I'm showing our project cases. This was we did in Tanzania, or cassava flour processing line. It's invested by a French company. Okay, so this is the whole factory look like after finish, when the factory finish like this. And here this they are cleaning part machine, and this the dewatering machine. And this one is our potato starch machine, because like I introduced, not only cassava machine we have. We also have potato starch and sweet potato starch machine. So this was our potato starch factory in China. And this one was a cassava starch factory in Indonesia. It was 12 tons cassava input per hour. So after the machine, when the machine finished installation and commissioning, the whole factory will like this. And you can see the cleaning part put outside, make the workshop clean, and the processing part, and you can see this is a dryer. Flash dryer. And they also have the warehouse, the workshop, the warehouse.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to our living room. Now I'm talking about cassava processing, cassava fufu flour processing, and this is our project cases. So this is our Nigeria cassava starch processing line. And like this, here are some installation pictures. The pillar centrifugal. This is our cassava starch factory. And this one is another sweet potato factory. Some machines. It's a sweet potato starch machine. Yes. Okay, this is one we did in Indonesia. Cassava flour, cassava starch. The flash dryer. Okay, so this is the Tanzania cassava flour project. Here are some installation pictures. The dryer, you can see the dryer tubes, and the cleaning part, the belt conveyor, the dry sieve. This is the hopper put outside. Yes, and this is plate frame filter machine, dewatering. Yeah. Okay, so this is a whole complete introduction about cassava fufu flour machine, and I also showed some project cases. So if you have other problem, you can contact me, or you can message me. And if you are interested in our machine, welcome getting your inquiry. So now, and then this is descending. Remove the sand. Descender. After descending, next is the fermentation. These are fermentation tanks. fermentation tanks, yes. So after fermentation, next is filter press. Remove the moisture. After remove the moisture content about 38%. After the dewatering, next is drying. Like there is a milling machine, grating cassava cake, because that's easy to dry. So this is the dryer, the flash dryer. The wet fufu flour enters the dryer to heat exchange with the hot air. Because cassava fufu flour there contain the fibers, so in order to ensure the final drying effect, we design two-stage drying. This is the second drying. Second drying, yes. After the second drying, this is our fine mill machine to grate cassava fufu flour again. And after all, cooling system, then this sieving separate big and small particles, and finally can package, yes. So this is a complete processing line. So if you are interested in our machine, we welcome getting your inquiry. Okay, so now it's time to say goodbye. Next time, looking forward to see you next time. Okay, bye bye.